In this video, we will talk about why joint venture partners say no to your offer. Even though the market has opened up, there are still a number of factors why people still say no. 1. They don't know who you are, because you haven't made a name for yourself. 2. Your product isn't compelling enough. It is not enough to sell to customers, but also to sell to JV partners why they should promote you. 3. You haven't been reciprocating their offers. JV partners are product creators too. They need support from others, so they will most likely return favors to other partners that promoted them during their launches and you have to wait in line. 4. They genuinely do not have time. Don't take this personally, but you could be approaching them at the wrong time. 5. You haven't convinced them why your product will make them a lot of money. EPC is very important. 6. You have failed in your launches too many times and word gets around. Remember that reputation and trust is everything. You have to learn to play the JV game well, or else people will keep saying no. In the next video, we will talk about how to get JV partners to say yes to your JV offer.